10-minute run down here to the south end. There's this little inlet to the levee. We're going to go in here and see what's going on. Looks like someone beat me to it. Get up there and walk along the levee here in this channel. Someone's here. I don't know if they're at the cabin or what, but I'm not that worried about it. It's public land. So we're gonna go see if we can jump shoot some birds. Stay tuned. Find the bird. Holy cow, that's a tough hunt. Good girl, come on. Come on. Good girl. Flies are terrible. It's like a Mekong Delta jungle. I'm pouring in sweat. Sip is in the water all the time because she's so hot. But we got a bird. Hey, good girl on the hen woody. Good girl. Nice plump, very beautiful bird. And a fun hunt. A tiring hunt. I can't spend a lot of time out here because I'm out of cell service, and I told Steph that I'd be home before dark, so I don't want her to worry. But amazing place. Okay, back up through that, and about 2 miles that way back to the boat. Wish me luck. That's the cabin on Rock Island. Someone's staying in it already. He's out here to grouse hunt. He's not waterfowl hunting. I came from about 2 miles that way along the levee. I had to cross the mud because I didn't double back and go across the hard ground, and that took me 10 minutes and wore me out just to get back on that high ground and go another 100 yards to kill one hen wood duck. But well worth it because I get to spend time with the dog, etc., etc. I'll need a primal wipe when I get back to the truck. Guaranteed. I came from 2 miles that way through some serious terrain for a couple of old dogs, so to speak. But I'm back to the boat safe and sound, and about to head back to the truck for a primal wipe because I am covered in sweat.